Hi, Star here from Music Radar, and we are at NAMM 2020. This is the media preview day. I'm joined by Dylan of Lumatone, and you have brought, well, this beautiful looking microtonal keyboard here.
Yes, thank you.
Tell us all about it.
Sure.
Tell us what's going on, how it works. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a keyboard called the Lumatone, and it is designed for playing alternative tuning systems. So you're not just stuck with 12 notes per octave with this keyboard.
Oh, boring. Yeah.
So boring.
Equal temperament.
Everything here is 12 notes per octave. Are we done with that?
Yeah. Let's move on.
Yeah.
And
so
this is it.
This is it.
Yeah.
And it is an extremely flexible instrument, so it can be configured to play 19 notes per octave, 31 notes per octave, 22, 55.
Yep.
Really, any tuning system that you can dream up is designed to be laid out on this keyboard.
Okay.
Or this keyboard is designed to accept those layouts.
Yeah, sure. And presumably it's easy to jump between, so you can
Yeah.
program all of the
Exactly.
everything.
And yeah, like any one of these tunings, it takes a while to set it up. There's a utility that comes with the keyboard that allows you to set up those notes and those colors.
Yeah.
Once that's done, it just gets stored in one of these macro buttons.
Okay.
So that's what these are for.
Yeah.
So yeah, touch of a button can switch tuning systems.
So 10 buttons here.
Yeah.
You've got 10 you can only store, or can you then recall more, or is it just the 10?
Yeah, there's 10 macro buttons. We
Yeah.
figured that is
Loads.
potentially enough.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you want to send, it's also very quick to send from the software, and you can store those just in files. So pull up a file, dump it down.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Can we get a little demo of how it plays?
Sure. Yeah. So this right now is set up for 31 notes per octave.
Sure.
And I should preface this by saying I am not a musician or a keyboard player. I am just a lowly product design company owner. So, but I will explain basically what we have here.
We'll let you off.
So yeah, every one of the keys is very expressive and plays and feels like a piano keyboard.
Yeah.
So like there's a major chord or a minor chord. But as you shift into other directions, you can hear those like very fine note divisions that are available there.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So playing across, it's closer to what we're used to listening to, and that as you shift vertically,
Yeah.
it starts to play
you're diving off into those microtonal areas. Yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
And we're generating the content to show off what compositions sound like right now. So we just released one today.
Okay.
This is the first time this keyboard is being shown publicly, or shown as public as NAMM is.
Yeah, sadly, yeah. Okay.
And so today we released a video of Benson Rourke here.
Nice to meet you, Benson. Hi.
He was actually playing one of these one of these compositions. Yeah.
Okay. So,
what have y'all talked about so far?
well, we've been talking about so far the lovely keyboard here, the product. I was going to ask you the development under the kind of the keys here. Is that something you've been developing for ages? Is that new to you, or is that something that you've been working on for a longer time for other products?
This key design, you mean?
Yeah, the mechanisms.
Yeah. This mechanism is brand new, specifically for this keyboard.
Yeah.
And first one of its kinds, we released. We just made two prototypes back in. That was probably 2004, I think, and then fast forward to about 6 years ago, we started working on this new design.
Right. Okay.
And this is designed for production, for mass production.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Velocity sensitivity, aftertouch, everything is all.
That's right. Yeah, and every single one of the keys is actually position sensitive.
Oh, wow.
So all 275 keys, it knows exactly where in the keystroke it is.
Brilliant.
So in order to detect velocity, it's just looking at how fast it's moving through those positions.
Awesome. Okay.
And then once it hits that bottom, it sends out, your loud keynote. Hit the sustain pedal there. But you can also do continuous controllers on every key.
Okay.
So if you want to do filter sweeps or pitch bends or things like that, you can assign any one of these keys to be a fader.
Brilliant. Okay. So it's fully customizable.
Very flexible. Yeah.
And that's all in the editor.
Yes, that's
Comes
right.
free, presumably.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yep.
Shipping wise, when are we looking to take this to market? Is it now?
This will be shipping in probably summer of 2020. So
Okay.
we're launching it officially commercially in the spring,
Yeah.
and then we'll be shipping in the summer.
Connectivity-wise, how we connect with USB?
Yeah.
We MIDI'd in.
Yeah, USB and MIDI in. Yeah,
So
that's right.
That's it.
That's what it is right now.
Okay.
And everything else is a software upgrade. So we will be
So
rolling out those software upgrades.
This is the finished article. This is how you're envisaging
This is what
the hardware is going
This
to be.
is how it's going to be.
Awesome.
Yep.
Are you able to allude to a price?
Yeah. So we're going to be coming in just under 4,000. This is not designed as a general consumer device. This is
high-end.
a professional composition, live performance instrument. And for the first supporters of our crowdfunding campaign, we'll be discounting up to 25%.
Oh, brilliant. And the crowd, and when are you going to kick the Kickstarter? If it presumably
Yeah.
is on Kickstarter.
Yeah, it'll be Indiegogo, and
okay,
under lumatone.io.
Yeah.
And if people go there now, they can sign up for an email. Those will be the people that get updates.
The early birds.
Yeah.
So, and then you'll
Yeah.
mail out when it's ready to go. And
That's right. And we're aiming for March of 2020
great.
to launch the campaign.
and then summer deliver it.
That's right.
Awesome.
That's
well,
right.
Dylan, thank you so much for spending time with us to explain all about Lumatone.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We haven't seen this video right now, and make sure you check out musicradar.com for the latest NAMM 2020 news as we get it. So we'll see you soon. Cheers.